Swedish full body massage in supine position. Ask the client to turn from prone to supine position. The head and neck. Perform full massage for 3 repetitions. Followed by the circular effleurage. Perform effleurage using fingertips for 3 repetitions. Perform one-handed circular effleurage followed by the one-handed effleurage. Do raindrops technique for 3 repetitions. Perform slapping technique for 3 repetitions. Last is the superficial warming for 3 repetitions. Massage the abdomen. Perform circular effleurage for 3 repetitions. Follows the small intestine to large intestine. Do full massage for 3 repetitions. Followed by the ocean waves technique. Perform diffuse technique. Followed by the fine vibration for 3 repetitions. Massage the lower extremities, the thigh, legs, and feet. Perform heart effleurage for 3 repetitions on the ankle up to the thigh. Followed by the one-handed massage. Next is the chucking friction for 3 repetitions. Followed by the ringing technique for 3 repetitions. Perform one-handed circular for 3 repetitions. Followed by the heart effleurage for 3 repetitions. Massage using praying hands massage for 3 repetitions. Perform ring technique for 3 repetitions. Followed by the chucking technique for 3 repetitions. Perform full massage for 3 repetitions. Do one-handed circular for 3 repetitions. Then pull the fingers. Perform effleurage for 3 repetitions. Followed by the friction for 3 repetitions. Perform clapping technique for 3 repetitions. Perform heart effleurage on the lower extremities for 3 repetitions to end the massage in supine position. The head and neck. Perform two-handed circular for 3 repetitions. Next is the two-handed effleurage using knuckles for 3 repetitions. Do thumb effleurage for 3 repetitions, followed by the alternate hand massage for 3 repetitions. Perform heart effleurage. Swedish full body massage in prone position. Assist the client to position on the massage table in prone position or lying horizontally on the massage table face down. Ask the client to remove his clothes. To do this properly, use a towel to prevent the client from being exposed. Cover the lower body of the client using the towel you are holding. Place the bolsters under the shin or front of the legs. Then put another towel to cover the upper body. The back. Apply alcohol or hand sanitizer on your hands and forearms before starting the massage. Perform stretching on the client's body. Pull the towel on the upper body down to the lower body, exposing the back of the client. Apply lubricant on your hands. Perform heart effleurage on the client's back for 3 repetitions. This technique will allow you to spread the oil on the body of the client. Lubricants are used to protect the body from skin irritation and give some nutritive value to the skin. Perform two-handed effleurage using knuckles for 3 repetitions. Perform two-handed circular for 3 repetitions. Followed by the chucking friction for 3 repetitions. Perform fooling petrissage for 3 repetitions. Followed by wringing friction for 3 repetitions. Do the ocean waves for 3 repetitions. Next is the one-handed ironing for 3 repetitions. Perform two-handed ironing for 3 repetitions. Perform cross-fiber friction for 3 repetitions. Massage using skin rolling for 3 repetitions. Do the one-handed raking technique for 3 repetitions. Followed by the superficial warming for 3 repetitions. Do the sewing friction for 3 repetitions. Followed by the one-handed circular technique for 3 repetitions. Performed heart effleurage for 3 repetitions. Followed by the alternate hand petrissage for 3 repetitions. Perform heart effleurage for 3 repetitions to end the massage on the back. Massage the lower extremities, the thigh, legs, and feet. Perform heart effleurage for 3 repetitions on the ankle up to the thigh. Followed by the one-handed pet massage. Next is the tracking friction for 3 repetitions. Followed by the ringing technique for 3 repetitions. Perform one-handed circular for 3 repetitions. Followed by the heart effleurage for 3 repetitions. Massage using praying hands pet massage for 3 repetitions. Perform ring technique for 3 repetitions. Followed by the tracking technique for 3 repetitions. Perform fulling pet massage for 3 repetitions. Do one-handed circular for 3 repetitions. Then pull the fingers. Perform effleurage for 3 repetitions. Followed by the friction for 3 repetitions. Perform clapping technique for 3 repetitions. Perform heart effleurage on the lower extremities for 3 repetitions to end the massage in supine position.